We're headed to Canada.
We're about to cross the border.
It's a ugly rainy day today, but we're gonna check out the Canadian Falls and film as best we can and enjoy it as much as we can. We got umbrellas, we got ponchos. Or we have an umbrella.
We gotta get in first.
Yeah, wish us luck. Last time we entered, we had a search party, literally.
Oh, Canada.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, you?
Good, thank you.
Where do you both live?
Punta Gorda, Florida.
Your car?
Yes.
Where are you guys going?
To the falls and to the casino for a concert tonight.
Okay, how long will you be staying for?
Just for the night.
What's all this stuff in the back here?
We're on a road trip. We travel around full time, but we're working in New Hampshire for the summer at a campground.
Where's
It's in
Buffalo.
Buffalo.
Buffalo?
Yep.
Any alcohol, tobacco at all?
Nope.
No firearms on board?
No.
You're all set.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
We made it through. They didn't have to search us this time, so that's a bonus. But we did have to pay $11.50 toll,
Oh, that fun.
which we were not anticipating. But just look at this beautiful day here in Niagara Falls, Canada. Hey everybody.
Hello, Kim and Aaron here, and today it's a rainy day in Canada. We are in Niagara Falls.
Yes, and we are here to check out the Canadian side of the falls. But it's a really ugly day. I don't know what we're gonna be able to see, but we're here, so we're filming it. We have an amazing tour guide here with us today.
My stepsister is from here in Canada, so she's gonna take us around today. We're gonna walk around Clifton Hill.
Tourist trap.
It's definitely a tourist trap area, but we're probably gonna eat some stuff and maybe ride something and check out the Canadian Falls here in Niagara Falls.
All right, let's do it.
We're in Canada! This is Tammy, my stepsister. So we're gonna walk around Clifton Hill here. As you can see, there's all sorts of fun stuff, yummy foods, and cool stuff to check out. And we're just excited to be here on the Canadian side. Look at this dinosaur mini golf. How fun. They have a massive Sky Wheel, Ferris wheel. You can see the falls, a bowling alley, Tim Hortons, the Dunkin' Donuts of Canada. So this is called the Niagara Sky Wheel here. Look over here, it's Frankenstein at Burger King. And it looks like there's like a roller coaster above him.
Tammy's had a roller coaster up there.
Oh, Applebee's, Benihana? There's Benihana here? They have a whole Ripley's, believe it or not. You can see this whole car coming down the side of the building. They have so many ice cream places. Go-karts. Pretty fun area here. Definitely a tourist trap. We're here at Boston Pizza restaurant and sports bar. I think we're gonna go check it out. Looks like they got pizza, pasta, salads. Yum. I'm down. How did you feel about Boston Pizza?
Well, the appetizer that Tammy ordered us, it was like these like house-made kettle chips, this delicious cheesy bread, and this Thai chicken like chili strips. That was every single one of those items was absolutely delicious. Then Kim picked out the pizza for us. It was like a prosciutto Gouda provolone pizza with bacon and pineapple, and it had like this sweet chili sauce as like the base, and like the flavors were really fun, but the cheese was strong, so it kind of like overpowered it, but the crust was friggin' delicious. It was really, really good.
Yeah, they have like a whole like arcade in there. Yeah. It's big, a whole bar section,
bowling section. So yeah, it was really good vibes.
She wants to take us on the Ferris wheel. Really?
You gotta take it already.
Nuh-uh. What the heck? I guess we are going on the Sky Wheel. How fun. I had no idea.
Tammy said we can get a good view and then we can go down to the falls.
Okay, perfect.
Right?
We get the views from all the angles. Look, best way to see the falls. We're moving!
This is so fun. Thanks, Tammy!
Too bad it's a little rainy out.
Yeah.
We need some windshield wipers.
Yeah, where's the squeegee?
Sorry, it's not good enough.
So this is the American Falls here.
And then over there is what it's all about. On this little racetrack here, everyone calls it Mario Kart. It's like a Mario Kart track.
Wow. That's Horseshoe Falls.
gorgeous. Don't mind the water spots on the window.
It's beautiful. This is a great view.
Then there's a zip line literally right here too, on the Canadian side. And that's where we were yesterday. You see that green little tower? That's where the Maid of the Mist was. We did that yesterday.
Yes, make sure you check out that video if you haven't. We had so much fun. It was awesome. Are you having fun today? Of course. There's a T-Rex there! Watch out! He's big. His wifey's over there with the eggs.
We had so much fun on the Sky Wheel. We went around quite a few times, probably at least like 6 times. It was really, really fun. So now we're gonna go head down to the falls. Ooh, ice cream. Crunch time waffle cones. That looks really good. We're gonna go head down to the falls. Take a look. Did you have fun on the Sky Wheel?
I did. It was great views, man. Like, it's such a great way to see the American and the horseshoe.
Unfortunately, it was just a little rainy, so
We're doing what we can with what we got, right?
it's so fun down here. Great Canadian Midway. Big top. Amazing fun. Oh, look, there's a Dracula's haunted castle.
There's haunted houses like everywhere.
Yeah, look, there's a lot of haunted stuff. Oh, wax.
Tourist trap. That's what it is.
Yeah, definitely a tourist trap. Oh, there's another haunted house right here. A wax museum. How fun. Oh, there's a distillery. This is so fun. We just walked straight down the hill. There's a little park right here. Tulips trying to come out. And we're gonna walk across the street to the falls. Oh look, they have one of those balloon rides. They have one of those at Disney Springs. Alright, this is the view from the Canadian side. This is the American Falls. Bridal Falls is that little one right here. And then this is the Horseshoe Falls.
The most impressive.
The most impressive. We need to get closer over there. So we took the Maid of the Mist from right over here yesterday on the American side. I think this is the Canadian one right here, but it's 7 o'clock now, so nothing's running. But I highly recommend. It takes you all the way down there to Horseshoe Falls, and you get all covered in the mist from the falls. It's incredible. Here's the zip line here. Starts from here and it goes down there. So we are going to come back to the falls later tonight when it's completely dark and the falls are all lit up at nighttime. But right now we're going to go to the casino and we're going to the Jody Messina concert.
Woo! In Canada, baby, Ontario. What an amazing concert, Jody. We love you so much. If you guys don't know about Jody Messina, you better find out.
We had so much fun. She performed at the OLG stage at the Falls View Casino here in Niagara Falls. It was just a coincidence we were here at the same time as her, so we had to see her.
We couldn't not. We'd be so mad at ourselves. If
Well
we did
worth it. So now we're gonna go check out the falls at nighttime. It's completely dark outside. We've never seen them lit up before, so this is gonna be a first for us. We're so excited. Woo! This is the Skyline Tower. It's even all lit up at the top. It's the revolving restaurant up there where you can eat at. But we're gonna head down here to the falls. Yeah, right, man?
Giant decline.
Oh yeah, it's definitely we're going downhill and we're gonna gotta go back up it after. You can see the little elevators going up and down the side. That's pretty cool. I'm sure that's a pretty fun ride, that's for sure. Niagara Parks welcomes you. Well, thank you. Here's a look at the American Falls, all lit up blue. It's beautiful. This is Rainbow Bridge over here. You cross that to go from the US side to the Canadian side. This is Canada and that's the US right over there. And this is Horseshoe Falls down here. We're gonna walk down there next. When we first pulled up, the falls were blue and now they just changed to red. So it's like the Canadian flag.
Yeah.
I wonder if they do red, white, and blue.
I don't know, maybe.
Alright, but we're walking this way down the path towards Horseshoe Falls. This one's now red and white too. It just looks so crazy with all the mist.
So much mist. It looks like smoke.
Right? It does look like smoke.
Yeah.
Everything is lit up, all beautiful. That's the wheel that we were on earlier today.
We're on that wheel.
Right? And the casino is over here. So it's all beautiful, all lit up at night.
It's really pretty here at night.
We are at Horseshoe Falls. Beautiful at
Crazy.
nighttime.
It's
love
amazing. It's like a whole other world out here with these lights on here. And it's just roaring and it's dark, but you have the city lights. It's really beautiful.
Definitely must do. Unfortunately, during the summer they do fireworks, but we're here a little too early.
Yeah.
So that stinks. To be able to see fireworks right now,
They do it every
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
But we're a little too early, so check the dates if you're coming here.
Yes, for sure.
Oh, they're changing the color right now. What are they gonna change it to? Ooh, all red. Okay. We're in Niagara Falls, Canada. And this is so crazy.
It's really, really awesome. Being here at night is amazing.
Yeah, it's
Got to
really,
enjoy it.
really cool.
Yesterday, on the American side, looking at Horseshoe, and now we get to look at it from this side, lit up in different colors. Pretty special.
We're trying to get as close as we can. We're starting to feel the mist.
It's like the freshest air too.
Right? Look at this. We made it to Table Rock, the restaurant, right here. Right at the top of the falls where you get literally the most amazing view you can get.
Not too shabby.
Not too shabby at all. Alright, so we're at where the falls go over the edge. The lighting behind you looked really crazy. It's like this like pinkish, peach color. Looks pretty cool. Alright, look at this, y'all.
The edge looks crazy right now.
Whoa! Isn't this nuts? You can literally come here right to where the water goes over. That's so cool that you can get so close.
Especially when it's red, it looks like lava or something.
Yes, I feel like we're like in a movie or something almost.
It's like the top of a volcano.
And we're also here at 11 o'clock at night. So good time to come because there's not a lot of people. Oh, it just changed. How beautiful. I love it. Wow. Yeah, how gorgeous. The mist going this way, it's like blue. How beautiful, it almost looks like the Northern Lights.
It really does.
How cool is this? $600,000 gallons of water going over this per second.
That's wild. Did you really think about it?
Per second. You see these bright lights? This is what is projecting onto the falls. So that's pretty cool. But it's getting a little chilly, so we're gonna head out of here.
It started raining a little bit too. That's why the hoods are on now.
You look like a conehead. If you look at these little platforms here, you can do like tours, like Journey Behind the Falls and stuff like that, where you can go out in those areas and you can actually go behind the falls, which that would be cool. Maybe if we come back here again, we'll do something like that.
Yeah, that would be really, I think, because you get really, really close out there.
Yeah, really close. Alright, and what did you think of the falls from the Canadian side?
Much better view over here. I mean, it's very different too, just like the vibe that you get. It's very like state park over there and very like party city over here. So it's different, but the view was incredible. I really enjoyed being on the Ferris wheel earlier. That was awesome too. I wish the weather was just better. We haven't had the best weather, so it's made it difficult for us to enjoy and to film. So we hope you enjoyed this video. We did the best we could with what we were given.
Luckily, we had no issues crossing the border today. If you were wondering, our RV Lucy is parked in Buffalo at a Harvest Host location at a church. So we just drove the car over the border just to make
Yeah.
things easier. We didn't want to have to deal with trying to bring the RV
Yeah,
over
God
here.
forbid,
anything
that
like
would take hours to search her because it's our whole lives in that thing. So it was much easier with the car, but we didn't have any issues, which we're so thankful for.
Yeah.
If you're new to the channel, we did travel to Quebec last summer and we got searched. So now we're just nervous whenever we go through customs. But yeah, today it was a good day.
It was
overall.
a good day. But overall, if you come here, my thing to do is the Maid of the Mist. We had so much fun doing that. It gives you the best views. It takes you right down to the front of the falls. Like, so it doesn't matter if you're on the American side, Canadian side, you literally go right down the river to the falls. Like, you can't beat it. So I highly recommend doing that for sure. And you get the views from both sides if you do that.
Yeah, so if you haven't checked out that video, make sure to watch it because we had the best time. So how did you feel overall today?
It was a good day. It started off so rainy. We wanted to do more down in Clifton Hill, but unfortunately the rain kept us away today until the evening time. So we didn't have much time to do anything.
Yeah, and then we had the concert, which was totally worth it too. So, but yeah, we hope you enjoyed hanging out with us today. Let us know in the comments if you've been to the falls, how you feel about it, and we'll see you in the next episode.
All right, bye y'all.